Hello and welcome dear learners to this basic video tutorial to present a basic use of Screencast-O-Matic, which is a very important online tool for out-of-class activities. Let's see the objectives. At the end of this tutorial, the learner will be able to log into the homepage of Screencast-O-Matic, explore different icons and tools available in the Screencast-O-Matic, create a video tutorial, and share the screen using Screencast-O-Matic just like I'm sharing with you right now. And this is basically a type of video tutorial. What I am doing right now is basically making a video tutorial. So let's see the introduction to Screencast-O-Matic. What is basically Screencast-O-Matic? It is a free web-based software for creating screencast. In simple words, it permits the user to capture the desktop screen just like I'm sharing my screen with you all and creating this video tutorial, and it permits the user to capture some additional video and use it like a voiceover. So dear friends, let's see how it works. So right now what I'm doing is I'm trying to create a video tutorial. I'm sharing my screen and let's see how to use the Screencast-O-Matic. So first thing is when you go to Google and type Google and you go to the main tool of this and you type the word Screencast-O-Matic, the very first option to appear, once you click on that, you will be taken to a page and you will be given option to log in. Now you have different options to log in via Google, Microsoft and all. When I click on login with Google, I will be taken to the home page. So this is how the home page of Screencast-O-Matic looks. On the left hand side, we have some tools and icons for education, work, personal, product. They have different type of products like screen recorder, video editor, the secure backup, video hosting, stock library. They have some free versions and some like paid versions. What right now I'm showing you is a free version, which is basically sufficient for the academic purpose. In certain cases, the user can go with a paid version and check to get some additional features. They have the option for putting a blog. They have some ready-made tutorials for the user support and so on. So this is how the home page looks, and you can see here there is an option for launch of free recorder and for upgrade the recorder. When I click on launch free recorder, now it will show as already launched because I'm recording the screen and making this video tutorial. So once you click on the launch free recorder, then you will get a count 3, 2, 1, go, and the thing starts. So basically right now I'm recording, so it is already open. So this is how the once I go on launch recorder and this once I go to the home page, this is the actual home page for Screencast-O-Matic. You can see three important things. You can see start recorder. You can basically edit a video by using editor. Try it for free for 30 days. Since I'm using a free version, so it is showing as try for free for 30 days. And you can download and you can install. Once I click on start recorder, it will start by going with the launch recorder 3, 2, 1 and go, and then you can start. So the moment you click on start recorder, there will be a count 3, 2, 1, go, and once the go this word is done and passed, whatever is there on the screen, the whole things will be recorded just like it is being done now. So what all I am showing you, it is being recorded. You can see at the left hand bottom there is a red color and this is 415, 416 means this is getting recorded. Now I can show my upload. Since I had already uploaded and I have been using this for quite a long time, I have some recordings already present, and this is how the thing works. If you click on open video editor, you have different options. For example, video editor, you can start with 30-day free trial, and if you have to upgrade, in that case we have different options to buy and so on. And once you have this, you can basically trim, you can have some pictures inserted, you can edit the content, you can trim the content, you can put special effects and so on. So these are the basic features of the use, just like the thing is getting recorded now also, the same way. Now suppose I want to complete my video tutorial and I want to just basically complete, because right now we have seen how to log in, how to check for the different icons and tools which are present, how to create a video tutorial just like as we have seen now. So this is how video tutorial can be created. And suppose I want to now complete and share. So there are different ways of sharing this tutorial. The link can be shared with the user. It can be uploaded to the YouTube just like I will show you now. So now I have to go to this red color symbol.